Hello, welcome back to Age and Flourish, where we talk everything concerning age and the lifestyle. Like you know, life is worth living well, and that is why I bring you good content that will make you to live your life to the fullest. If you are new to this channel, will you mind subscribing to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to see my videos whenever I post it. Okay, let's ride on. Today, we are looking at a challenging factor in men's life as they get older, and that is losing belly fat. You know, as we get older, we start to gather fat, especially belly fat, and it becomes very challenging to be able to lose those fats. But don't worry about that. In this video, I am going to show you the step-to-step plan that will help you to be able to lose this belly fat. And that plan is a combination of 3 things, which are your diet, exercise, and lifestyle changes. These 3 factors combined together will boost your metabolism, help you burn fat, and make you feel confident in your body again. Why is it hard for us to burn fat even as we get older? The reason is that as we get older, our metabolism slows down, and so we burn less fat at rest, which means we need to work harder to be able to gather more lean muscles so that it will help us to be able to burn those fats as we age. Another factor is hormone changes. As men age, their testosterone level decline, and this makes them to burn less fat. And so the next factor is hormone changes. As men get older, this affects their muscle mass. It also affects their fat distribution, and that is why they gather fat at their belly level. Also, stress, poor sleep, and less active life also cause fat to gather in your stomach. So what do we do now? Listen, I'm talking to men now. Number 1 thing to do to be able to lose that belly fat is your nutrition. That is your diet. Focus on nutrient dense food that has more nutrients than empty calories. When we talk about nutrients dense food, we are looking at whole food, the food that you recognize when you see it. And such foods are number 1, leafy green vegetables such as kale, spinach, greens like collard greens, mustard greens, and a lot of them. They are packed with good fiber, and you know, fiber helps in our digestion and also help us to burn fat. Fiber is like the washcloth that you use to wash inside of your body. It is the vehicle that transports the food that you eat through the digestive canal so that those food do not get stuck in your stomach and in your intestines. Because when they get stuck and you don't eliminate them easily like that, that is where they start to building fat, and that fat now becomes a problem. Another thing concerning your food that you should take care of is go for lean protein such as beans, legumes, and also some lean meat such as chicken, turkey, even eggs, tofu. They will help you to build your muscle. You can avoid or limit to a barest minimum red meat. Red meat has a lot of saturated fat in it, and you know what saturated fat does to your body. But when you eat lean protein, especially plant protein, it will make you to be fuller. You will not be feeling hungry always, so that the digestive process will be completed before you eat another food. Talk about healthy fat. Eat more healthy fat in form of avocado, in form of nuts and seed. They have the components to balance your hormones. I said earlier on, those red meat has a lot of saturated fat, and also some food item, processed food, they have a lot of saturated fat in them. So run away from processed food that has a lot of sugar in it. They also convert to fat, and that is why you build those fats in your stomach area. Eat whole grain like quinoa, like brown beans. They are the ones that will give you enough energy. Limit to a great extent simple carbohydrates that does not have fiber in it, such as like just plain rice, white rice. Those ones don't have fiber in it. They are easily converted to glucose, and if you have a lot of them in your body, they will be converted to fat. So eat the grains that is whole, that has its fiber intact, that will help to be able to slow down the absorption of the glucose, that is the sugar in the grain. Another one is embark on some cardio, that is cardiovascular exercise, that will help you to burn a lot of fat and improve your metabolism. Such cardiovascular exercise, or cardio as you might call it, includes running, jumping, cycling, swimming, even dancing. Whatever that will make your heart to pump and make your body to jump and move. Try to have a schedule where you embark on this cardiovascular exercise. Don't just do it once in a week or anytime. You can have it like 3 or 4 times a week, like a session of 30-minute session every day. Consistency is the key, not hit and run. Always have that exercise that will make your heart to be jumping and also to pump blood quickly. Another one is HIIT, that is high intensity interval training. This is the fastest way for you to burn fat and to improve your metabolism. Engage in it regularly. It will also help you to build your muscle mass, especially the muscles of your legs, because if you start having weakness in your legs, that's a big problem. Again, don't forget strength training, as in squats, as in push-ups, as in resistance training. Also, weightlifting. Strength training help you to build muscle mass, which in turn will help you to lose fat. What I mean is that even when you are resting, strength training helps you to build muscle mass and improve your resting metabolism, which means even at rest, you are still burning fat. But if you neglect strength training, you might not even burn fat, even at rest. Finally, let's talk about rest and sleep. These are major players in hormone balancing. You know that high level of stress increases your hormone cortisol, which will lead to fat accumulation, especially in your belly. You can manage your stress through having adequate rest and sleep. Target 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Rest is very, very important. That will help to balance their hormones. Also, you can involve yourself in meditation, deep breathing, and even walking in the park, taking fresh air. Try to move around, not really exercising, but walking by yourself, not with your phone or looking at the phone. Just free your mind and allow nature to take care of everything that you're passing through. Prayer is also very, very important. When you commit your issues, your problems, your challenges to God and allow Him to take care of it, because He says Come unto me, all ye that labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. There is rest in God. So for you to be able to manage your hormones, balancing, reduce stress, and sleep well, for you to live a healthy and a productive long life. So let's wrap up. For you to be able to lose those belly fat that we talk about, here are some tips I want to give you in what to do. Number 1, stay consistent. Small changes at a time. Number 2, track your progress. Track your meal, the kind of food you eat. Track your workout. Do you work out every day? Track how you do your exercise and how you manage your stress level. You can get accountability partner that will encourage you. Also drink plenty of water. Water will help to be able to wash out, some of the toxins in the body. Aim at drinking up to 8 glasses of water every day. Stay hydrated. That will help to improve your metabolism. Take action today to help you feel stronger, feel good, burn many fat, and be comfortable in your body. If you like this video, why not subscribe to my channel? And I will see you in the next video. Bye.